Okay guys, good day to all of you. Another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be unboxing this box here. It's a no details. Yeah, let's start opening it up and see what's inside. So hard unboxing with one hand. Let's see. Wow, there you go. It's a Dell Xps. Packaging itself, so good. So the box itself, premium box from Dell, because this is a premium product. Should have the power cable, the three-prong power cable, UK orientation. What's inside? Nothing. There you go. So let's open this one up. It's actually an XPS. Welcome to Dell. Wow. It's covered with a microfiber cloth. Before we unveil this beauty, what's inside? Of course, the documentation. 3.5mm audio jack adapter to USB-C. A USB-C to USB-A adapter. A Dell 60 watts. And of course, the USB-C cable, Thunderbolt cable. Below, nothing else. Okay, start opening this. Okay, wait a second. It's a new Dell XPS Plus. Side, one Thunderbolt port, and on the right side another Thunderbolt port. Okay, let's see what's inside. The bottom, you can see it's XPS. No vents anymore comparing to the previous version. Speakers on both sides. Okay, one second. There you go. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. Vivo i7. No touchpad borders, but from the reviews you can see the touchpad actually will be from here to here. It's quite big. This will have like touchpad or function keys display, and as you can see the keyboard, the keyboard itself, the buttons are bigger. There. Wow, way better than my laptop. I think this is the power on. We need to power on. We need to charge first. So there you go, guys. The new XPS Plus by Dell.